Hey guys, it's me and Bubba the dog, and today we just want to say, please like our videos, isn't that right? And I know I haven't made that much, I just started yesterday, because that would be cool for having videos. I love playing Minecraft, and I love making videos about me, so, yeah, look at that. Bubba. See that? That's the life of a dog. Yeah, they're looking at you. Yeah, you shy down. You better run. Okay. So, see? Turn your face. I told you. Okay, hold on, guys. Look at that. Sunglasses dog. Trying to get glasses off. So we just want to say, please give us a nice like for my videos. And yeah.